We got a Porsche Macan here. Customer bought a kit here. I guess Soul Performance. Gonna be a delete the rear mufflers. There's the tips. Gonna guess it deletes these two rear mufflers here. I'm not gonna touch anything up in the middle there. Let's install these things and we'll see what it sounds like. Alright. We got this thing done, we got the system installed. And everything. Got the system on there. Worked out pretty good. The only problem was that one didn't fit very well. So I actually had to cut it and make it fit properly. So we put it together there. We had to cut and weld it. Otherwise it was pointing downward. So doing this at home would have been a real headache for you. So they're installed. Tips came out really nice. Looks really good. So we're gonna let it down, start it up, and see what she sounds like. All right. There we go. Sounds pretty good. Sounds real good. Alright, there you go. Porsche Macan S with the Soul system on it.